Damn, son, where'd you find this?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, man, I'm going to react to the strongest tornado I ever seen. This video takes place on March 31st, 2023. That's the day, you know, they have like a tornado outbreak though. So I don't know where, you know, this located. Because when I saw the thumbnail, it looked scary. It looked absolutely scary. So we're about to jump in and check this bit out. Before we get to this video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get it. Oh, see, so it's in Iowa. Okay.
As storm chasers, we all have opinions about chasing Iowa. Some people think Iowa is amazing, and the other ones are wrong, because Iowa is amazing.
Huh.
On March 31st, 2023, the Storm Prediction Center waited until mid-morning to issue a high risk over southeastern Iowa, but I was already well on my way from Colorado. It looked exciting. It had strong upper-level support overlapping a dry slot, and that led to one of the best-looking surface patterns I have ever seen, with over 300 joules of 0 to 3 kilometer cape stacked along a dry line bulge by mid-afternoon. And by the time I got there, a storm was already ongoing.
Oh shit.
The updraft was already huge by the time I got to rolling up on the storm, and I knew I just had to wait for it. And when it matured, it produced instantly. These clips are from Hedrick to Keota, two small towns in southeastern Iowa. And they feature the two strongest tornadoes I've ever seen, and the two strongest tornadoes of what ended up being the third largest tornado outbreak on record.
Oh, there it is.
Go.
Huh. I bet that shit about to get bigger, and bigger and bigger. Like, y'all just don't know how dangerous these tornadoes are. So, wow, look at that view. Yep, I told you, it's gonna get bigger. Oh, wow. I don't think we never had, like, you know, tornadoes a lot here in Florida, because I know I'm in Jacksonville, Florida, so we don't get too much tornadoes. So we never had tornadoes outbreak though. So yeah. Oh my God. Holy shit! That's what I'm saying! He said, oh my Lord! I told you that shit get bigger, bro! I told you! And that shit is dark, bro! See, this is the reason why I love looking at tornado videos like this, man. This shit amazing. Oh my God. That is crazy, man. That is crazy. Like, the clouds is moving, like, this is a monster right here. This is a monster.
East Road.
Cause like, look at this shit. Look how the clouds like moving like that. I never see anything like that. So it's like literally it's gotta be mesocyclone. It's gotta be. Golly, man, that shit is scary, bro. Oh my! Look at this shit! Look at this shit! Ah! That shit is a fucking amazing, bro. That's a fucking mesocyclone right there. Holy shit! Oh my lord! Now you got me saying it. Oh my lord! Oh my god, bro. See, I would never be inside of that. Okay? Pause. Oh my god, this is like amazing video right here. I ain't gonna lie. Wow. Like it's moving, bro. Like it's like a mothership. Oh my god. I never see anything like that, bro. Like when he said, you know, chasing tornadoes in Iowa is amazing. Well, this shit is a fucking amazing. Wow. That bit look like what? EF6. More than EF6 and EF5. That shit is moving, bro. And you can't even see the tornado inside though. But cause it's like it's dark though. You got the train, man. Oh my gosh. That shit is bigger. That's got to be between, I would say, EF4, possibly EF5. That's my guessing. But I call it like a wedge tornado though, because it's like wedge tornado is like bigger.
Both down. Oh my god.
Oh my, what?
One tornado. One much bigger tornado.
It's two!
Up there.
It's two! It's two! What? It's two tornadoes?
This is...
Yo, I don't know, cause that shit about to drop. That shit about to drop. We're about to be two big ass two tornadoes. This is intense. This is intense, bro.
Number two. I was too close too soon.
Very. Like, what if they merge, bro? What if they fucking merge, bro? That'd be crazy. Oh my god, and that shit is spinning, bro. But it's weakling though. And that shit all the way over there. Good Lord, have mercy.
Is that a new cycle? I gotta move. I gotta east of there. I need to get something there. Is that a new cycle?
Yeah, that's a massive cyclone right there, bro. And that's the tornado inside of it. Pause.
Maybe at some point it does. Not right now. Fall lightning just for it to get.
Wow.
Maybe at some point it does. Not right now.
So is this like a new super
The second
cell
tornado
or
dissipated right as I finally caught up to it, and I ended my chase. The first tornado was surveyed to be over 1,000 yards across, which is over a half a mile wide.
Damn.
And the second tornado was 700 yards wide. Both were violent
Damn.
tornadoes capable of catastrophic damage, but they both missed towns and killed nobody. Ultimately, the best case scenario. Thanks for
good.
watching.
That's good. So yeah, like I never seen a tornado like that. Cause all I see, you know, when I reacted to the tornado in, I believe, in South Dakota, when all this dust and, you know, in the clouds and stuff. That ever since though. But this right here in Iowa, oh my God. See, this is the reason why I never seen this video back in March. I didn't notice that, you know, cause you guys know I don't watch too many like news, cause I don't have no cable, you know what I'm saying. So, but I do, you know, look at the articles, news articles. That's it, you know. But oh my God, man, I never seen a tornado like that ever in my life, ever since, you know, South Dakota, I believe. Cause I'm not sure, cause I literally read to that what, while back. So but yeah, like this guy right here, named Spencer Dent. Oh my God, bro, his view, his videos, and his, you guys know his views and stuff, like amazing, you know what I'm saying. Wow. I can't believe it's like it was 2 tornadoes though. But good news is nobody got hurt, nobody got killed. But I call that a wedge tornado, because wedge tornadoes is, are bigger, possibly, like when you guys saw in the fields, like in Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Iowa, South Dakota, in North Dakota too, in Nebraska, you guys see, wedge tornadoes be out there, in the middle of nowhere. So that's the name of it, wedge tornadoes, because they get bigger, possibly like between EF4 and EF5. Sometimes EF3 sometimes. So cause I studied tornadoes though, in school, you know what I'm saying? Cause I love tornadoes, cause they very cool to look at, but at the same time, they are most dangerous deadly tornadoes in history. So but yeah, like these tornadoes, they ain't no joke, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, man, what amazing video, incredible video actually though, by Spencer Dent. Wow. But in the case, that's it for the video for you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on social media. I'll see you guys in the next video. You gotta be safe out there. God bless you all. See you guys later.